Hey, Alexus Love Beauties and Flawless Man. That's right, we got the pack in. Oh, you didn't know? So for my birthday, I was blessed with a special gift. Y'all about to see me turn up the entire video because I have so many positive things to say about this business right here, honey. Let's just get into even the UPS packaging, honey, is nice and secure. I had to take out my scissors because, baby, I wasn't even trying to cut the plastic on the inside, okay? I wanted to make sure that everything was perfect as I knew what I was getting into. So let me pause for a minute. Turn up. That's right. Hey, you already know what it is. Let's see what we got in here. Hold on. Okay, what's that? What's that? What's she pulling up the bit? Okay. She doing too much. What's the? Okay, sis, what you get? Come on now, show us what you got. Hey, show us what. Come on now, quit playing now. What did you get? Wow, the Keyshia body burner. Oh my God. So this will be my first time having this. Ladies and gentlemen, please be sure to read the directions. Let me tell you where I messed up the first time purchasing from this business. I completely was just using stuff, and that is absolutely dangerous to do. Miss Keyshia does have all of her products are organic. Even the belt, I say, how does she has an organic belt? Girl, you doing too much. I say the belt is organic because I feel like she got with a chiropractor. Now, I don't mean to throw that secret out if it's not true, but sis, that's how I feel because of the back support. This tee is 100% organic as well. And you see the waist, 14 business days. Baby, we about to be snatched, honey. When I first purchased this tea, I did just reuse the tea bags. When you read the directions and you actually search the ingredients, that is not something that you want to do. When Miss Keyshia said to just use the tea bag at a half a cup of water, you can use 1 or 2 bags and you can let that steep for up to 36 hours. That's exactly what you need to do. I do not recommend reusing the tea bags. You have to do that extended research. These tea bags have so many powerful herbs, and you do not want to overdo anything. Even if it's good, you still do not want to overdo that because you could cause harm to yourself. Everything has directions, whether it's healthy or not. So, y'all, like I said, you about to see me turn up this whole video, honey, because I'm so excited. And it's all there. You ain't got to worry about counting it. It's in there, honey. And then, girl, this one bag was trying to slip out. And I'm like, you got to get in there, honey. Like, everybody got to stay fresh. So, be sure to read the directions when you order this tea. Do it as she says to do. Now, I got my belt. Sis tells you in the directions to make sure that you get your waist measured. That is the number one important thing because you do not want to order a small belt because, honey, there is no returns. I mean, why would you want to return something that you are 100% guaranteed knowing is going to work? Me, in my instance, I have a 4X belt already that I'm currently still using, and I have 3 other waist snatchers. This was a birthday gift to me from a good friend. Thanks, friend. So I decided to get this belt in a size small and medium. Just hear me out. For me personally, Keyshia, I did that because I am going to be that size within a few weeks. So I went ahead and got the belt already. Like I said, I have other belts as well. So it wasn't like I'm trying to squeeze into this belt. When she says the size is what it is, honey, it is what it is. This is a size small, medium. So for my girls out there that's already pushing the, teacup waist, girl, go ahead and get you that small medium because, baby, it's going to work. I absolutely love this belt. I love the double layers. I love how it is packaged. When I'm able to fit into this belt, this will be my second belt, and I have absolutely all perfect things to say about this company. This is the most important right here, the back support. It really does straighten your posture. I can see why this belt is used for men or women as well as weightlifting because it does give you excellent back support. Reading the directions, I learned something new today. I also learned that you can wear this belt with or without a garment underneath. So these belts are so organic that you can actually wear them on your skin. This is the very first belt that I ever bought. I think it was about 3 years ago. I wore this belt, honey. As you can see, it is so big. The size that I got it, I wore out of that size, and you still see how good it looks. Go ahead and make that investment, honey. When you purchase things and it has a long shelf life like these belts do, baby, that is something that you want to invest in. You would prefer to invest in something that you'll be able to keep for an extended period of time, because that's a good product. That's good quality. As you can see here, baby, I ain't in the lab, so I was trying to fold this up exactly like the pink belt was folded up. But baby, we got to fold it up because I just want to show you the Keyshia family all together, honey. So this size belt was a 4X, I believe, and this will be for my thicker women and men, and that's okay, honey. There is love for every body shape. This is going to be your small and medium belt for our smaller teacup ladies and gentlemen. Also, these belts help you shed excess water as well. Sometimes we're not even as big as we think we are. We need to clean our colon, our liver needs to be detoxed, our kidneys need to be detoxed. The way that you lose weight is you have to detox your organs. That is what is keeping up the harm, the sickness, the illness. And then along the way of you cleaning out your organs, and be sure to drink you some water. You have to restore with hydration. That is where you begin to lose weight. So I can imagine how much water weight I have. A lot of the times it may just be water weight, or it could just be that thicker body tissue. Ladies and gentlemen, this video is not for clout. This video is absolutely my organic and honest review. We will be back in 14 business days so I can show you where I'm at with my weight loss. You can do the tea bags every day or every other day, and I'm gonna go ahead and get into showing you how to open this package. Be sure, babe, you see how just nice and gentle I'm being. Always read the expiration date on anything that you purchase. You would like for your merchandise to be fresh as possible, and you would have to use that in a timely manner so you can get the full benefits. Honey, I'm not about to open this box all crazy. This took a lot of work. Hold on, let me see. Hold on. Calm down. Girl, it's in there. It's all in there. That's how you do it. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Let me see. This will be my first time getting the burner cream. I got the trio bundle this time. The very first time I ordered from this company, I did just get the belt and the tea separated. And as you can see, I absolutely adore. It's just beautiful. It's packaged nicely. It's very clean and it works. It's not just about the outer appearance. It's about the inner appearance, honey. The internal and the external beauty is going to prosper. Let me see what she got under this lid because I'm so excited. This is beautiful, and no, she didn't. Miss Keyshia, I see you, honey, with a tiny spoon. If you know me, you know that I absolutely adore small things. Like this tiny little spoon will help me rub the cream around my body. And it looks like a lotion. Let me smell this. OMG. This body burner cream does not burn the hairs in your nose. That is absolutely how you know this body burner cream is organic. I had to read it. You see me? Fragrance free. This is going to be so perfect for those of us that have sensitive skin. Honey, I already wore this cream after this video and I absolutely love it. It is very comfortable and it does just seeps automatically into your skin. Get the cream, honey. Get the cream. Alexus Love Beauties and Flawless Men will be back with a review. Mwah.